Good morning, good morning. Come and join us for a trip down Captiva's Andy Rosse Lane. The main street of Captiva is called Andy Rosse Lane. So who was it named after? Andy Rosse was born in England in 1903 and immigrated to Tampa, Florida. When he was 16 years old, he was hired as a fisherman. He met and married his wife Dessa, and they moved to Captiva Island in 1926. Andy worked as a fishing guide at Twin Waters Inn. Looking ahead, you see McCarthy's Marina, or the Captiva City Dock as it was known in the 1930s. In 1940, Andy purchased the marina with a loan from his friend J. Norwood Darling. Some of you might know him by his nickname, Ding Darling. Andy bought the property for the low price of $800. He renamed it Andy's Fishing Pier. The yellow building on the right is the famous Bubble Room restaurant. It's known for its humongous slices of cake and kitsch decor. The Captiva grocery store was located at the pier until Andy made plans with Ding Darling to relocate the store to where it stands today, on the corner of Andy Rosse Lane and Captiva Drive. You can see it down to your right there. There are many wonderful shops and restaurants to check out along Andy Rosse, as well as perfectly situated vacation rentals. I would definitely recommend a walk all the way to the end of the lane. Have a cocktail on the patio of the Mucky Duck restaurant or just watch the sunset. It's a fantastic view. Thanks for joining me on this trip down Andy Rosse Lane. My name's Nick Adams. Come and join us on the next one.